Hello and welcome. Do you have a noisy fan in your oven? I will show you how to fix it in a moment. Our oven has two problems. One, the light is not working, and two, the fan is making some really weird noises. Listen to the noise that this fan makes, and if that's the problem you have, I will show you how easy it is to fix it. It sounds like the fan is hitting on some part of the metal housing of the oven. Before we continue, turn off the oven completely and also turn off the power to the oven. If you have switches on the wall, use that. If not, turn off the power completely to the sockets in your house. Check that it's off by turning it on and make sure it's not powered. Once there is no power to the oven, unscrew these 4 Phillips head screws. After removing the screws, you just pull on the cover and it will come off. And now you have access to the actual fan, the blade of the fan. And if you notice, it's wiggling and it's loose. Somehow this thing got loose and the nut on the middle, it's just spinning freely. And that looks like it's gonna be an easy fix for us. Yes, you guessed it. The only thing I have to do is tighten the nut and it will work. First I start tightening the nut by hand. Just notice that here this nut is being tightened counterclockwise. You can do it like this so it's easier to tighten it, but at some point you have to get in there and tighten it well with the wrench to make sure it doesn't happen again. I'm starting the fan just to make sure that it's noiseless, that the noise is not coming from the motor. Sometimes it could be that the motor is bad and then you would have to take the oven out completely and replace the motor at the back because you can't access it from the front. But in our case, in this case, and I hope yours also, the only thing that you need to do is tighten this nut and it will make it work. Put the cover back and reinstall the 4 Phillips head screws. That noise is completely gone now. Okay, that's pretty good. Now it's time to check the light bulb. I know this light bulb is not working and there is a chance that there might be something wrong with the oven, so you have to see that the light bulb is actually not working, that is broken. Philips brand, 25 watts, 300 degrees Celsius. You can clearly see here that the filament is broken inside the light bulb, so that needs to be replaced. Also checking the socket, the problem here is that we don't have the cover of the light bulb, but we're gonna try to get a new one. That old one just broke one day. Got a replacement light bulb, but this one is 15 watts, not 25 watts. And I'm gonna try to use this one, it's the only one I could find locally. The socket is the same. Reinstalling the light bulb and I will test it. Just note that you would need to have a cover for the light bulb. If you don't have a cover, you should buy a new one, because the light bulb gets damaged from the grease that goes onto it and it will most likely burn again. You can use it temporarily like this, it's not a big deal, but eventually you have to get a cover for the light bulb. Thank you for watching this video, and if it helped you, hit the subscribe button below so you find more useful videos in the future. Also click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload the new videos. Press the like button on this video and also share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or if you tried it and you want to say anything about it, let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.